Hello and Eid Mubarak to all our viewers from our digital media platform voicepk.net, where we report on human rights issues. On this Eid, voicepk.net celebrates the heroes of the lockdown, the citizens of Pakistan who helped one another during this time of crisis and emerged fighting this pandemic despite confused government policies in a state that has invested less than 1% of the GDP in the health sector for decades. Throughout this week, we will bring you stories of hope and struggle of doctors and paramedics. Over 1,170 of them have tested positive for COVID-19, but they continue to recover and go back to work. Policemen and women, journalists, animal rights activists, and youngsters who saved lives, provided rations, and rescued starving animals. Let's begin with Raja Walters, a Christian man in Lahore who has turned his burger shop into a free food point to provide iftari for Muslims in Ramzan. Walter considers himself a lucky man to be able to help humanity without discrimination in this crucial time.
Raja Walter, a Christian by faith, runs a burger shop in Pakistan's largest Christian locality of Johannabad. His business was closed due to the coronavirus outbreak and the following lockdown. But instead of sitting idle, Walter decided to help the people of his locality by providing them a one-time meal. As the Christians fasted during Lent in March and April, his Muslim friends helped him in providing food to them. So when the month of Ramzan started, Walter decided to pay back and to help the Muslim community by giving them iftari.
Muslim community helped us during our fasting, so I have this time to reciprocate their act of kindness. If I miss this time, then I might not get this chance again in my lifetime. That's why, without wasting a second, I put a big flex for this locality, and people are coming from all over, but we are not denying food to anyone. Maybe God liked this behavior and He included His blessings in our utensils, that now we have numerous people benefiting from here.
But Walter says that no one in his team is allowed to inquire about anyone's caste or faith.
No team is allowed to see anyone's face or talk to anybody. They just have to pack the food and pass it on. They have no time to talk to people and ask about their faith, caste or creed, nor do we permit this here.
Walter's shop was also his source of income, but it has been closed for the last 2 months. So he is running the ration program by spending his savings and through donations from his friends. Walter says he gets a real sense of achievement in doing this charity work, and he will never want to stop this.
I am an ideological person, and according to my ideology, now I can never shut this venture. I have time and promise to these people that if God gives me strength, then I will come here at least once in a day to bring food for you. I want to change my shop's name from the VIP food point to VIP Dastarkhwan, where I will distribute food for free without asking anyone's religion or caste.
Muslims of the area are very moved by Raja Walter's attitude towards them. They say Walter serves the meal first to Muslims just because they are fasting.
मुस्लिम की ये रौ नहीं बनवाते They don't let Muslims stand in the queue. I asked them to have a separate row for Muslims, but he said that Salman, this is not right to stand them in a line while fasting. He's doing a good job, and being a Muslim, we can pray that may Allah give him a good reward for this. I'm coming here from the 1st of Ramadan and it is 21st Ramadan now, and it is spending very well, more than what we thought. As the situation is going on, we don't have any tension in getting food from here.
Raja Walter considers himself a lucky man. He says God has chosen him for this humanitarian work, especially in these crucial times.
These small acts of kindness always have a positive impact on the society. Raja Walter is not only helping the poor, but also promoting interfaith harmony in the month of Ramadan. Ahmed Saeed, voicespeaker.net, Lahore.